When it comes to heating and cooling systems in the Plano and Dallas Metroplex, people know to rely on the experienced professionals at Clean Air Services to take care of them. We're dedicated to offering efficient and reliable service, as our experienced technicians are trained to service, repair, and equipped for new installations as well as preventative maintenance. Offering a variety of services that includes attic insulation and duct cleaning services. We provide free estimates on new equipment replacement so you know what you're paying for. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not satisfied long after the job is complete, we'll be there to service it. Day and night, we're here for you. Contact us to schedule an appointment and let us go to work for you.